cool girl. I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine and I would love for you to join my YouTube family by clicking onto the subscribe button as well as the notification bell beside it so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. For today's video guys, I will be doing a full face of every BILENA products. Medyo matagal-tagal na akong hindi nakakapag-film ng one brand makeup tutorial. So for today's video, I will be featuring every BILENA. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So if you notice guys, I've already filled in my eyebrows. Ginawa ko na siya off-cam just to save time. But for the products that I used for my eyebrows, ginamit ko tong tatlong products na to. I use the Fine Line Brow Liner in the shade Brooke. I love this one kasi manipis yung pencil niya and meron siyang retractable pencil. Pero I don't use this to fill in my eyebrows entirely. I just use this to outline my brows para mas precise siya and mas malinis tignan yung brows ko. And then to fully fill in my eyebrows, ginamit ko naman tong si Pro Brow Liner in the shade Fling. I love this one. Gusto ko yung formula nito kasi madali siyang i-apply sa kilay and maganda yung pigmentation niya. Hindi siya mabigat sa kilay, hindi siya masyadong creamy, hindi siya masyadong waxy. It is the perfect formula to fill in your eyebrows. To set my eyebrows in place, guys, ginamit ko naman tong si Tint and Tame Brow Mascara in the shade Shy. I love this one kasi talagang na-hold niya yung eyebrows ko into place. The only thing is medyo liquidy siya masyado. So, you have to be careful when you're using this kasi minsan ang tendency niya kumakapit siya sa balat. So, make sure na i-apply nyo lang to sa mismong eyebrow hairs nyo. And one thing that I love about this product is maliit yung applicator. So, tulad sa mga ibang videos ko guys, I will be starting off with my eyeshadow. And recently, maraming mga eyeshadow palettes ang re-release ng Ever BILENA. And most of them, gustong-gusto ko talaga yung quality. For today, I have pulled out some of my Ever BILENA palettes right here. Meron akong si Chocolate palette, which is an all matte neutral eyeshadow palette. Perfect for everyday. Meron din akong bagong bili just for today's video. This is the Eyeconic 6-pan eyeshadow palette. One is in the shade Mixed Metals. Ang recent release nila, which is si Rich palette. This one is really nice if you're looking for fall colors na mga eyeshadow. And then, one of my favorite eyeshadow palette from the drugstore, which is, I think, no longer available sa market. This is their Total Effect eyeshadow palette. But for today's video, I will be using yung 6-pan eyeshadow palette nila since binili ko siya for the purpose of this video. So, before we apply any eyeshadow, guys, I'm just going to prime my eyes using the Ever BILENA Concealer Stick in the shade Medium. So, gagamit lang ako ng brush to apply this all over my lids. So, kailangan natin iset itong eyeshadow base natin since masyadong creamy itong si concealer stick. And since wala namang bone color or translucent color from this eyeshadow palette, gagamitin ko na lang si Total Effects eyeshadow palette and I will be grabbing maybe this shade to set the eyeshadow base. So, ito yung itsura ng eyeshadow palette, guys. Plastic packaging lang siya. And when you open, ganito itsura ng mga eyeshadow. And then, meron din siyang kasamang mirror. And may free eyeshadow applicator din siya. The first thing I will be doing is using this shade. So, sunod-sunod lang yung shade na gagamitin ko. I will be starting off with this one, next this one, and then this one. So, first impressions, guys, maganda yung color payoff niya. Meron agad siyang kulay nung in-apply ko siya. And onting product lang yung kinukuha ko para hindi ako mahirapan mag-blend. Pero sobrang pigmented niya. Very nice. So, next shade guys, gagamitin ko lang yung second matte shade. Next is yung darkest matte shade, which is the third shade. So, I want to cut my crease, guys. And for that, I will be using the All Day Liquid Foundation in the shade Porcelain. Kasi si stick concealer kanina, hindi siya masyadong light. And I have to apply a lighter base para sa cut crease ko, para mas lumitaw yung lid shade natin. So, I will be using si All Day Liquid Foundation in the shade Porcelain. So, I have a little bit here sa foundation palette ko, and I will be using this with a concealer brush and cut my crease with this foundation. So, I'm just going to wet my brush first para mas kumapit yung foiled shade. And ito na lang gagamitin ko, guys. Itong medyo coppery bronzy shade from the Eyeconic palette. So, try kong gamitan muna ng fingers. And then, saka ako gagamit ng brush pag medyo kailangan ko na maging precise. So, ayaw niyang kumapit nung wet yung brush, guys. Gumamit na lang ako ng dry na brush. Wow, sobrang impressive nung foil shade na to, guys. It's very shimmery, very glittery, and wala akong fallouts underneath my eyes. But the weird thing is, kanina gumamit ako ng wet na brush, kaya lang hindi siya dumidikit sa mata ko. So, gumamit na lang ako ng dry brush, and mas okay siya, guys. But if you want to really pack on the shimmer, I suggest gamitin nyo yung fingers nyo. And then, gumamit na lang kayo ng brush for the smaller areas. So, gagamitin ko naman ngayon si eyeshadow palette. And I will be taking this gold shade right here. And I'm just going to lightly pack on this shade on top of the foil shade na ginamit natin. And then, gagamitin ko lang tong dark brown right here to further darken up my outer corners. Since walang primer ang BILENA, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face using my own primer. This one is from Milani. Kung meron kayong ibang mga primers dyan, guys, go ahead and use that. And then, for foundation, guys, I'm just going to use the same foundation na ginamit ko kanina, except this one is in the shade Oriental. Gustong-gusto ko tong foundation na to. The only thing is, hindi siya oily friendly since mabilis siya mag-oil up. But I highly suggest if you want to try out this foundation, or kung meron na kayong foundation na to and feel nyo hindi siya okay for oily skin, gumamit kayo ng mattifying primer, or i-bake nyo siya kapag gagamitin nyo para talagang maset siya. Ang napansin ko lang sa foundation na to, guys, compared dun sa Squad Cosmetics You Can Face It foundation, mas fuller yung coverage nun and mas friendly for oily skin. Ito kasi, full coverage siya, pero there are certain spots on my face na hindi niya naka-cover up. But very buildable naman tong foundation, guys. So, okay lang. Then, after applying the foundation with a brush, gustong-gusto kong gumagamit ng sponge to further blend this out just to make sure na walang streaks or lines yung face ko. So, now for concealer, guys, meron akong liquid concealer in the shade Light. Binili ko lang to just for today's video. Kaya lang, the problem is, medyo dark yung color niya. So, since medyo may pagka-peachy undertone siya, guys, in-apply ko na lang siya underneath my eyes to cancel out yung mga dark under eye circles ko. But, to further highlight the center area of my skin, I will be using this BILENA All Day Liquid Foundation in the shade Porcelain, the same shade na ginamit natin to cut our crease. The only problem pag ginamit mo yung All Day Liquid Foundation as a concealer, guys, is masyado siyang thick. So, medyo may tendency siyang mag-cake or mag-crease underneath your eyes. So, just make sure na i-blend out nyo siya ng maigi, and then iset nyo siya para hindi siya mag-crease. To set everything in place, sa tingin ko walang translucent loose powder ang BILENA. Meron ba? Kasi parang wala naman ako nabalitaang meron silang loose powder. So, ang kinuha ko na lang, guys, since wala akong powder from BILENA, is etong si two-way cake nila in the shade Matte Fair Oriental. So, for the fact na naset nyo yung face ko, okay siya, guys. But, obvious na meron akong powder na in-apply. So, meaning to say, medyo dry yung formula niya. Medyo powdery siya. But, tignan natin kung masusolusyonan natin siya using a setting spray later on. But so far, medyo hindi ako fan ng powder na to. So, next is, gagamitin ko na tong si Face Trio nila to contour my face. Dito na lahat. May pang-contour ka na blush and then highlighter. Okay silang lahat, guys. Maganda lahat ng formula ng product na to. So, I'm just going to use this shade to contour my skin. So, kung gusto yung gamitin yung blush and yung highlighter from this palette, go ahead and do so, guys. Maganda din yung formula ng blush and highlighter nitong palette na to. But, para mapakita ko sa inyo yung ibang options from BILENA, I also went ahead and purchased few single blush on from them. This is their matte blush on. I went ahead and purchased Rosewood and si Milkweed. This one is 150 pesos each, guys. So, ganito yung tsura ng mga blushes nila, guys. And so, for today, I'll be using this shade right here, which is si Milkweed. Ewan ko kung napapansin niyo sa camera, guys, pero meron siyang satin finish. And then, for highlighter, guys, matagal ko na itong gustong bilhin, yung single highlighter nila in the shade Spotlight. And ang napansin ko sa kanya, nung sinwatch ko siya, less powdery siya and less chalky compared dun sa other single highlighters ng BILENA. So, sabi ko, worth it na din namang bilhin to since mas nag-improve yung formula with this highlighter. Sobrang nag-improve nga tong formula nila, guys. Kasi, ang naaalala ko, meron ako nung medyo mas gold shade nilang glow out highlighter. And yon medyo powdery siya and mas malalaki yung glitter niya, kaya hindi ko siya madalas gamitin. And with this one, guys, it's really nice. It's very fine. It's very less powdery. And mas okay yung formula nito. So, since masyadong marami na tayong powder na in-apply sa skin, guys, I'm just going to set my face using Deluxe Organics Mattifying Mist. So, habang pinapatuyo natin yung face mist, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and finish off my eyes. Babalikan ko lang ulit yung eyeshadow palette na ginamit natin kanina. And I'm just going to use the same shades, yung mga matte shades from this palette, underneath my lower lashes. For mascara, guys, meron ako dito si Volume Curl Waterproof Mascara nila. This one is only 140. So, ganito yung tsura ng packaging niya, guys. Pareha sa packaging ng mga Maybelline mascaras. And yung color niya is hawig naman sa L'Oreal Miss Manga Mascara. Oh my God, ang laki ng applicator niya, guys. So, ganito kataba yung applicator niya or yung wand niya. And it's an rubber applicator. Mas gusto ko yung mga natural bristles sa mascara and in fairness, mabango siya. So, sobrang laki nung wand niya, guys. Mahirap siyang gamitin para i-apply sa mga maliliit na area. Wow, in fairness, guys, hindi siya clumpy sa lashes. So, maglalagay lang ako ng lashes, guys, and after that, I'll be back. So, as you guys can see, I just added some false eyelashes and then I also added some inner corner highlights. Ginamit ko yung parehong highlighter na ginamit ko on the high points of my face. And then, for our last step, guys, is lips. Gagamitin ko tong si matte lipstick from EB in the shade Mirrored Mocha. Since masyado ng bright yung eyes natin or bold yung eyes natin, I'm going to go ahead and use a nude shade. So, that is it for today's video, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. And kung nagustuhan nyo tong makeup look na ginawa natin using full face of BILENA, make sure na i-like nyo tong video na to. And kung meron pa kayong ibang request for future videos, guys, make sure to leave them on the comment section down below. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!